and welcome to our video today. Today me and Carol are going to show you how we created this really extravagant look that you can see with spots on our face where I probably look like a hyena. If you want to know a lot more scoop than just makeup, you better get watching.
Channel. We have with us today Minal Raj from the Crazy Daisies Mangalore page.
Yay! So we're playing Never Have I Ever today, and I will ask Carol a question and Carol will ask me a question. Say Carol asked me never have I ever swam in the beach, and if I have done it, then I'm supposed to take kajal or whatever and make a mark on my face.
Okay, question number 1. Never have I ever gone on a date with more than one guy in a single month.
Oh, come on. I think everyone's done that. So now what do I do with my face? Oh shit.
So that more guys don't come and ask you out, just like a nazar ka tika.
Gone, taken now. Those days are done. 2 days. Now it's only a single date for the rest of my life. Okay. Never have I ever peed in the pool.
I was just praying that I found this question on the internet, but I was like, I should not pick this because if I have to answer it, fine.
I think everyone has that.
Yeah, everyone has. There are only two kinds of people, let me say. One who have and the other who lie about it. Okay? So I'm going to do a very cute beauty spot. Here. Since you asked me that question, never have I ever stuck gum under a desk.
I don't think I've really done that. I'm never really a chewing gum person. So no, Carol, I haven't.
You never did that in school also? Please don't tell me. I don't believe you.
No, I used to never like chewing gum because my mom used to tell me that if I eat it, it will never come out of even in my mouth. So I was really scared.
Okay, fine. You're well-mannered. You've been brought up well, I must say.
I would say that I've been scared my entire life. So this one's a good one. So never have I ever crushed on my boyfriend's friend.
On my boyfriend's friend?
Yeah. It doesn't have to be your current boyfriend, it can be your ex.
Yeah, current boyfriend is not there. Okay, I'm not that fortunate. Ex-boyfriend.
Everyone is watching it. She's single.
Man, my ex-boyfriend's friend, I think the whole world knows I have a crush on. So there was this.
Oh shit!
There was this ex-boyfriend of mine who had kind of a celebrity friend. I think he's super cute, and now I'm not even dating that boyfriend, so yeah, online. But I still crush over the friend.
So where are you drawing a spot, Miss Mua?
I have to do that, no? This should be a beautiful one.
Yeah, just like Kenny.
Just like Kenny. It doesn't look sexy at all. It looks like, you know, they put that nazar ka bottu for babies. Never have I eaten food that fell on the floor.
Does the 5-second rule come?
No. I mean, after 5 seconds also have you eaten food that's fallen on the floor?
I'm sure I've done that. Okay, I'm going to draw a beauty spot on her. Like a Marilyn Monroe beauty.
And I was just trying to be beautiful by the end of this.
Okay, I'm gonna get you now. Oh, so the great makeup artist. Okay. Let's see if you're following your own beauty tips. Never have I ever slept with my makeup on.
One second. Where's my eyeliner? Where's my kajal? Where's my mascara? And where's everything black? There you go. I have so many times. It's not a good idea, guys. Don't follow me on that.
Don't do this. Don't
follow everything else, but don't follow that. Never have I ever had a paranormal experience.
Yeah, I think I have. I think I saw aliens.
Oh wow.
So I was sitting in a balcony with a friend, and we just saw like this tiny spot next to the moon, and then you know how if it's a star or if it's something out of space, then it will just move in a particular direction, right? Like inclined or something. But this was moving like in all directions. Like once it's here and then it's going here and then it's there and then it's going everywhere. And then we're like, what the hell is this shit, man? And then in no time we see another one, like another dot, and it's making like different colors, like rainbow colors, and it's moving everywhere. And then like, oh shit, is this a freaking alien?
Do you also want to tell us what you had consumed before you saw that?
Oh shit.
Maybe that'll help solve the mystery.
You got me, Carol. You got me.
Okay, so now you know what it actually was. I actually had one experience that I actually didn't take seriously because I thought it was like a dream.
Like, did you see a ghost?
So there was this. No, so I've seen ghosts so many times mentally, but there was this one time that I got a dream and then I woke up.
Okay.
And then I wanted to move, like I wanted to turn, but I just could not turn. I was just like almost paralyzed.
Oh, sleep paralysis. Yeah, I've heard of
that. I didn't know it was that because I never read about it.
Yeah, I've read about it.
So I just couldn't move, and then I thought, you know, one of those dreams which is inside another dream.
Yeah.
So you wake up, but that's also in a dream. I thought it was that.
Oh my god.
And I still don't know what exactly it was. But then there was a friend of mine who, you know, who used to speak a lot about these things and all. And once he told me about something called sleep paralysis.
Yeah.
And then I was like, oh my god, that's actually happened to me. I'm going to put a bet of 100 rupees right now that Minal is going to look pretty at the end of this.
Let's wait and watch. Let's wait.
Even though she would have done all the 10 never have I ever things, she will still look pretty at the end of this with dots on her face.
Never have I ever hated the look I gave my client. Bring that kajal out. Bring that kajal out.
Hated is a very strong word.
Dislike.
I have been very dissatisfied once or twice with the look I have given. Let's just put it that way.
Okay.
So, there you go. Man, you are being brutal. You are jeopardizing my work, my job. Never have I ever stolen something from a 5-star hotel.
Does the creams and shampoos?
Yes,
but
it is stealing.
That is not stolen. They give it to us. Like that's for our consumption. Is it really not meant to be taken?
I think so.
Oh,
I mean, I've taken it all the time.
Me too, like all the time. Like I think like I go to a hotel room and at first I judge them with what creams and shampoos they place.
I know, right? And Taj has awesome forest essentials.
Oh yeah.
Try it out. I still have some of the Taj toiletries actually in my bathroom.
Me too, I do have the forest while talking about forest essentials, it's right there, one hand soap that I took, and I don't want to use it because it's so good, it smells so good. So, never have I ever told someone that I work for MAC just so that they could take you seriously.
Yeah, I mean, duh. Oh, I told you also that.
Yeah.
Take me seriously, girl.
Yeah, obviously everyone's gonna take you seriously.
So it's more for the skill set. Like when you say I'm a MAC artist, you yourself said she works for MAC, so you know how good her makeup is.
Yeah, even for me in that way, when when we were thinking of collaborating with each other, and immediately when I saw MAC makeup artist on your bio, and I was like, oh, okay, immediately my perception of your page changed, you know. I was like, okay, this girl's insane. Which you are, by the way, not just for the fact that you're a MAC makeup artist, but you're truly talented.
Awesome, thank you. Never have I ever lied about a family member dying as an excuse to get leave from class or work.
I think I've done it everywhere, in work, in school, so I am someone who always runs away from answering people's calls. I don't know why I'm saying this on camera, dude. So guys, please don't text. I mean, please don't call me if you have anything to say. Just text me because I'm not going to pick your call. I'm going to use lame excuses like somebody died, my dog died, my relative died also.
Wow. I cannot
So
believe you
since
used
I've
that to
done that-
avoid a call. That's insane.
Yeah, I just hate answering calls. Yeah, I can't do it. I'm gonna draw a dot at the end of it.
Have you ever lied about your relationship status?
Like to people?
Yeah, I mean, you wouldn't lie to yourself, to anybody. Or to your viewers. Let's keep it more relatable.
No, actually, I haven't done that.
Never? Not even in the start of your relationship?
No, actually, I don't know why my life has been public for the longest time. I am an honest Instagrammer guy. Honest Instagrammer guys. I don't lie to you guys. I'm completely 100% real. Okay.
So then you cannot become an actor, an actress.
Yeah, because I'm so blunt and I'm so like, I don't even think twice. Never have I ever worn someone else's lingerie.
I don't think I have ever. Let
Yeah,
me think though. Let me think if I have. No, I have not. No.
Good girl. I shall give you 100 points for cleanliness.
Thank you. Okay, never have I ever laughed in a funeral.
So I have like a really bad habit. So I tend to laugh when there's something serious happening around me. I am anxious inside me and I'm freaking out, and that's why I start laughing. Like a funeral, it's such a moment where everyone's going to be serious and everything, and I'm just like feeling like, oh, I can't hide my emotions, and I start laughing. Not laughing, but I'm just like constantly trying to hide my smile and everything. I don't mean to do it, but it's just me being anxious. Yes, I have done it. I deserve it to be like a black mark on my face, but I'm going
Kalank.
to... Kalank, what is that? That movie.
Yeah, but kalank means black dot.
I don't know so much Hindi, bro. Never have I ever been a friend with benefits.
No.
What?
Oh, why am I opening this? Means I've had flings.
Huh?
One fling. But that's not friend with benefit.
Yeah, that's not friends with benefits. Okay.
No, I have not.
Wow, Carol.
But you have us. You have?
No, I haven't. This is not my question to answer. This is your question to answer.
Never have I ever checked my partner's phone without their permission.
I am going to end up looking like a zebra, guys. I have.
Okay, Minal's boyfriend, I hope you're going to watch this.
He knows, I'm sure.
She has checked your phone, and if you've done something shady, you're screwed, man. Even if you do something shady, make sure it's not on your phone, because Minal checks your phone.
Where else am I going to draw spots, dude? Okay. Never have I ever purchased a MAC product and thought it was simply overpriced.
This was the first MAC product I bought. So yes, I have bought a MAC product that I think is overpriced. But do I think it's a good product? Yes, I think it's a good product. Do I think it's overpriced? 100%. So,
But
I am going to do a dot.
yes. I officially look like a clown, guys. This is not how I do my makeup. This is how I do my Halloween makeup.
I'm actually liking my beauty spots. Beauty spots. Okay guys, here's my final question, and this one's the bomb question. Miss Minal Raj,
Okay.
have you ever lied in this game?
No, I haven't lied. To be honest, I swear I haven't lied.
Cool, so we are going to assume that both of us have not lied.
Never have I ever played hard to get.
With a boy?
No, with another girl.
No, I mean that way, right? I don't think there's a definitive yes or no to this question. I have not played hard to get intentionally, but I have tried to not overshow my emotion in certain relationships.
Okay.
But have I intentionally played hard to get? No. I don't even think I have the luxury to do that, okay? Okay guys, so we are officially done with our makeup and have exhausted all our questions. Before we sign off, we are going to count the number of dots we have in our face. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There was one more. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We asked 10 questions each, and I'm left with 7 dots. And Carol, you're left with 6. Carol's won the game officially.
Thank you everybody. Since I have only made this video, it's on a very low budget, zero production cost. I have nothing to gift myself except validation from Minal. Thank you. Thank you everybody.
So thank you so much for watching.
Thanks. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel.
Comment also and share it and just go balls
listen
out
to
on
the
it.
blogger. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys had a great time and you liked this video. And if you did, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and let's build this family together. Until then, take care. Bye.